Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard, the Stamps of Life, and guess what? It is club time. Now, what does club time mean, right? I mean, what is that? Well, at the Stamps of Life, we have a couple different clubs, and if you join one or two or all, we have a lot of people in all, then you get extra discounts on our website, you earn club points, you get anniversary gift certificates, so much extra awesome stuff, right? But every month you get something sent to you automatically. It's Happy Mail, which is even better, right? Well, this month's Happy Mail is called Picnic Time. Look at this. We have a little turtle or tortoise, you could call him either one, and a fun little monkey with a little pie and cake and lots of fun things. So happiness is spending time with you. Life is better with a friend like you. Hi, hello friend, let's do lunch. Life's a picnic, and sending a basket full of thanks, because the little turtle is holding a basket, a picnic basket. Now, yes, of course, you know me, there are dies that match. Now, this is our Stamp Club shipment. This is our Die Hard shipment, meaning you get the same stamps as the Stamp Club and the dies that match. Now, you are getting the inside dies and the outside dies, meaning you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dies right here. But my friends, you know me, I go a little nuts sometimes. And I thought, oh my goodness, aren't they cute? They're having a little picnic. It's so much fun. Well, they need a picnic blanket, don't they? Don't they, right? So guess what, my friends? I'm giving you a free picnic blanket die on the back. Now, if you buy this on the website separately and you're not in the Die Hard Club, it's going to cost you. It's not free. But if you are a club member, you are getting this picnic blanket free. And when you see it, you're going to fall madly, deeply in love. Are you ready? Let's look at some samples. But my friends, let me just tell you, can you really have a picnic with just 2 little friends? Oh, no, 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 no. Yes, there are more. Yes, you need to go watch the next video because there's so much more. Now let's jump in and look at some of them. Here's our cute little turtle. And you guys, I think I'm going to call him a turtle. When I designed him, I thought of him as a turtle, so he is a turtle. Look how cute. We have our cute little background there. Surprise, picnic time. Hello, friend. And look at our cute little guy. Isn't he adorable? Whoa, but look at them on a 5x7 card base. Don't you just love it? They're having picnic. You can see that picnic blanket in the background. It's 2 dies and it's ready for them to sit down. Every day with you is a picnic. Oh, wouldn't you love those dies? That is a sneak peek. Let me just tell you, look how cute that is. Oh, or they could be on a 5x7 tree. Remember that big tree that we had that's so awesome? Now this is a sneak peek for a couple other little guys here, but look at how cute that little monkey is in that tree. Oh, or on a slimline card. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. Again, a little bit of some sneak peeks in there, but now you're starting to see what I was talking about. Last but not least, because this turtle is adorable. Look how cute this guy is on a stand-up, sending a basket full of thanks. He's holding the little basket. He's got some little pies right there, but it's a stand-up. Hi, hi, hi. Isn't that cute? I love stand-ups. They're so much fun. Now, club members. Yours are already on their way to you. Ken gets up so early, he gets them in the mail ASAP, so you get them as soon as possible. If you are not in the club, now is the best time to join because you can be in the Stamp Club for as little as $13.99 a month. And that includes a brand new stamp set sent to you automatically, made in the USA, high quality photopolymer, $13.99 a month, gets you a stamp set and 15% off my entire website every single day, every single item, every single order. Does that mean the order I place today and then also the order I place next week? Yes. Does that mean every single item on your website? Yes. You also get club points to spend on future items. You also get anniversary gift certificates on our website. And every couple months we like to send out freebies. You know why? Just because. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, join at least the Stamp Club to get your foot in the door and enjoy all of those awesome benefits. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.